Welcome to our video on mastering all-in-one chat tools. In today's fast-paced digital world, effective communication is key, and having the right tools can make all the difference. We'll explore the various features and benefits of all-in-one chat solutions that can streamline your conversations, enhance collaboration, and boost productivity. From integrating multiple messaging platforms to managing customer interactions seamlessly, these tools are designed to simplify your communication needs. Throughout this video, we'll dive into the top options available, share tips on how to maximize their potential, and discuss real-world applications that can transform the way you connect with others. So, if you're ready to elevate your chat game and discover how these solutions can benefit you personally or professionally, stick around. Let's unlock the power of all-in-one chat tools together. Understanding all-in-one chat tools. All-in-one chat tools are comprehensive platforms that combine various communication channels into a single interface, allowing users to manage chats, emails, and social media messages seamlessly. These tools typically offer functionalities such as instant messaging, video calls, file sharing, and even customer support features, all in one place. The significance of integrating multiple communication channels cannot be overstated. It simplifies interactions and ensures that no message is overlooked. By centralizing communication, all-in-one chat tools enhance productivity, enabling teams to collaborate more effectively and respond to inquiries faster. Additionally, they improve user experience by providing a consistent and streamlined interface, reducing the need to switch between different apps. Ultimately, these tools empower individuals and organizations to communicate more efficiently, fostering better relationships and driving success in both personal and professional settings. Key features of all-in-one chat tools. All-in-one chat tools come packed with essential features that enhance communication and streamline workflows. One key feature is chatbots, which automate responses to common inquiries, saving time and ensuring customers receive immediate assistance. Analytics tools provide valuable insights into user interactions, helping teams understand engagement patterns and improve their strategies. Multi-channel support allows users to manage conversations across various platforms, like social media, email, and SMS, within a single interface, ensuring no message is missed. Popular tools like HubSpot, Zendesk, and Intercom incorporate these features, making them effective solutions for businesses of all sizes. By leveraging chatbots, analytics, and multi-channel support, organizations can foster better communication, enhance customer satisfaction, and ultimately drive growth. These features not only simplify interactions, but also empower teams to focus on what truly matters, building relationships and delivering exceptional service. Benefits of using all-in-one chat tools. Adopting all-in-one chat tools offers numerous advantages for businesses looking to enhance their communication strategies. One of the primary benefits is cost effectiveness. By consolidating multiple communication channels into a single platform, companies can reduce expenses associated with managing various tools. Additionally, these tools save time by streamlining workflows, allowing teams to respond to inquiries more efficiently. Improved customer engagement and satisfaction are also significant advantages, as instant responses and personalized interactions foster stronger relationships with clients. Furthermore, all-in-one chat tools are scalable and adaptable, making them ideal for growing businesses. As your organization expands, these tools can easily accommodate increased communication needs without the hassle of switching platforms. Overall, the integration of all-in-one chat solutions not only enhances operational efficiency, but also positions businesses for long-term success in a competitive landscape. Choosing the right all-in-one chat tool. Selecting the best all-in-one chat tool for your needs involves considering several key factors. First, evaluate your budget. Different tools come with varying pricing structures, so it's essential to find one that fits your financial plan. Next, assess the features that matter most to your organization, such as chatbots, analytics, and multi-channel support. Understanding your specific communication needs will help you narrow down your options effectively. Popular tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zendesk each offer unique functionalities tailored to different business requirements. For instance, Slack excels in team collaboration, while Zendesk focuses on customer support. By comparing these tools based on features, pricing, and user reviews, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your goals. Ultimately, the right all-in-one chat tool will enhance your communication strategy and drive your business forward. Implementation tips for all-in-one chat tools. Successfully implementing all-in-one chat tools requires careful planning and execution. Start by outlining a clear integration strategy that aligns with your existing systems, ensuring compatibility and minimizing disruptions. It's crucial to involve your IT team early in the process to address any technical challenges. Next, prioritize training for your staff. Providing comprehensive training sessions will help them become comfortable with the new tools and maximize their potential. Encourage team members to explore features and ask questions, fostering a culture of learning. Additionally, ongoing evaluation of how the tools are being used is essential. Regularly gather feedback from users to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments. This iterative approach will help you refine your communication strategy and ensure that the all-in-one chat tools continue to meet your organization's evolving needs. With these tips, you can achieve a smooth and effective implementation. Conclusion. In summary, all-in-one chat tools offer a range of benefits, including cost effectiveness, improved customer engagement, and enhanced productivity through features like chatbots and multi-channel support. Choosing the right tool is crucial for your organization's success, as it can significantly impact communication efficiency and overall performance. By assessing your specific needs and comparing popular options, you can find a solution that aligns with your goals. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into mastering all-in-one chat tools. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and strategies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers you to enhance your communication and achieve success in your endeavors. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.